Family, I think this is the most delicious way to cook pork out of all the methods I've tried. Even if you've never set foot in the kitchen, as long as there's a pot at home. Whenever I make this dish, it's a total hit. Everyone's practically fighting over. For this dish, we prioritize choosing pork with a balance of fat and lean meat, which gives it an especially tender texture. Alright, first step. Slice the meat into thick, finger-width pieces. Place the sliced meat in a large bowl. To ensure the meat is clean and free from any gamey smell, we'll need to treat it properly. We'll add a bit of salt and some flour, then pour in a bit of water. Gently knead and massage the meat a few times to clean it thoroughly. The flour's great at absorbing impurities, and the salt water not only cleans but also kills off any bacteria, making the meat super fresh and safe to eat. This method ensures that the pork has no off-putting smell. After drying off the excess water, use the back of a knife to gently pound the meat. It will help the flavors penetrate better. Then, take another empty bowl and add a spoonful of honey, a spoonful of white sugar, a spoonful of cooking wine, a spoonful of light soy sauce, a spoonful of oyster sauce, and half a bowl of water. Stir everything well to combine. Pour the sauce over the meat in the bowl, then add some shredded green onions and ginger, followed by salt and pepper to season. Now, use your hands to mix it all together, then let it marinate for about 30 minutes to soak in all those flavors. Hey everyone, I share yummy and healthy home-cooked meals every week. If you like what you see, please like, share, and show your support. Thanks so much. Now, pour a little oil into the pan and toss in the marinated pork. Cook both sides of the meat on low heat until they're nice and golden. Grab the leftover marinade and pick out the green onions and ginger. Then add a bowl of water and pour it all into the pan. Put the lid on and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. Alright, time's up. Let's check it out. Wow, just looking at this color makes it so appetizing. Now, crank up the heat to thicken up the sauce. And just like that, our delicious honey-glazed pork chops are ready. The whole house is filled with that amazing aroma. Let it cool down, then cut it into small pieces, and it's ready to eat. Give it a go, everyone. You're definitely going to nail it.